It's so beautiful out here today. Busy, busy, busy. It's definitely a good day for a kayak. Look at all those ducks. Just like everywhere. Oh, she's feeding them.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna leave Luna in the RV.
Okay, I'll open the windows and stuff.
What?
I'll open the windows and stuff. Get it, girl, get it. Is there multiple ports? I guess so. Alright, so I got the hold of the darn dogs. And they got the kayak somewhere out there. So there they are, way out there. They don't seem to be going too far. Looks like you're in a big yellow banana. See that? That is called a leak. So, oh well for the new kayak.
You're going down with the ship.
I know, I'm gonna go down with the ship.
No! Jack! Jack! You're totally Jack.
Oh well, maybe I'll try my other kayak because this one is obviously like the Titanic and going to sink. Kayak fail. That's a dang shame. It has a hole, so that's a super fail. This one's still good though, but I think I need to get some fins on it because it's not doing well. Really? Really? Alright, so my kayak day didn't turn out like I had planned and it had failed, but you know what? It's okay. We still had fun. I enjoyed it, and now we're gonna go get something to eat because I am starving. Are you gonna drive, Luna? I'm gonna need you to get out my seat, please. Are you driving? I'm gonna need you to get out my seat. Thank you, ma'am. Go, go, go.
Accepting run.
Alright, so we got everything. We are all packed up and ready to go. Except Ran. There she is. Alright, so somebody has to tell me where we're going because I have no clue.
Go out of here, go across the bridge, take a left.
Alright. Okay. We are ready to go. Thank you for visiting. Please come again. God, it's hot today. Oopsie.
Nice.
Thanks. Luna. Oh, so hot and sticky. Okay, so let's take a ride up here.
Have you ever been out to the end of the island?
No.
You know it's all free public parking with beaches and shit?
Oh, no.
It's like this, but no park and no people.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at that old car there. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's pretty nifty.
Nifty. And go. Oh, there's a bunch of cars for sale. Island Trail.
Everything's for sale right now.
No overnight parking.
Ren, let's get some Girls Gone Wild t-shirts and cruise the beach.
Right?
Yeah.
Well, does mine have to be wet at all times or what?
No.
Okay.
No, we're gonna hand them out. We're gonna take Asha's camera so we look like professionals.
Right?
And we're gonna have Girls Gone Wild shirts. And we're not even gonna hand out the shirts, we're just gonna give them like stupid little beats that cost like 50 cents.
Alright, so we gotta get in the left lane.
They eat it up.
Yeah, they totally eat it up. Especially if you threw beer in every once in a while. What do you think, Asha? You wanna get in on this one?
No, I don't want to see no Girls Gone Wild.
Young boobs.
Huh?
Young boobs everywhere.
Yeah, I'm not a lesbian, so that doesn't work for me. Y'all go for it.
I mean, you can still appreciate boobs.
My boobs I can appreciate.
That's it?
Well, no, I appreciate other people's boobs.
Friend, she doesn't appreciate your boobs.
I appreciate her boobs. She's a friend, so I appreciate her boobs.
Oh, only friends?
Touched them before.
Yes, I have touched her boobs before.
Oh, yeah.
But not in like a lesbian manner or
No.
anything.
Just in a general, like, oh, very nice.
Boobs. Got wax, auto boats, and RVs.
Oh, we could do that. We got wax and we could do bikini waxes.
Ugh. You're such a pervert.
I just want to see the reactions.
Is that it right there? How am I gonna park in there?
It goes in the back.
And there's enough room for my big
Maybe.
boat? Are you
We'll
sure?
see. Yeah.
Or should we park over here?
No, you no.
Okay, alright. Because if there's not, I'll have to smack you.
Well, if there's not, it's because you're not good enough for parking. You could probably even make it through their drive-thru.
No. My god, this light is taking forever. Don't forget, gotwax.com.
Gotwax.com.
.com.
Gotwax.
You're welcome for the advertisements. Okay, so I just need to turn just right here. So I don't think I can pull in there.
You can pull in there.
I totally cannot pull
You
in
can
there.
totally pull in there.
Where?
Take a left, right here, on the other side of the sign. Right there,
Okay.
right where this
Well,
guy's
yeah, I
blocking
can't-
you.
No,
Just
they're
turn on your
coming
blinker.
in.
Well, they're coming out the wrong way, actually.
I know. Oh, there's parking in the back?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm trying to tell you.
so-
This fucking idiot is coming out the wrong way.
yeah, that person is.
And this guy is going to give you dick either. He's just going to pretend like you're not even there.
Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
See? This parking of it.
Yeah, there's parking back
You
here.
can do it.
You too can do it. Do it.
You might even be able to
Do
make
it.
it in there.
Where?
No, maybe not.
Yeah, you two don't hang out at all.
What?
Nothing.
We don't.
Same side of the coin.
We chill. Right?
Uh-huh.
Chilling.
Chillin' like a villain.
Chipping down.
Right? And I was like, where's Aja and Seth? And the group looked at me and they were like, I don't know. And I was like, uh-oh, I don't know what they're doing. And everybody started laughing, so.
What? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyways, cut.
You gotta get back. Just saying.
Alright, so it is just turned 4 o'clock and we are grabbing some early dinner, I guess. So,
Lunch.
it's been a long day. No, or late lunch, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, yeah, I'm starving.
If we call it a late lunch, that means we still have room to have a dinner.
A late dinner.
If we call it late dinner.
shit second breakfast.
We're done.
Yeah,
This is
okay.
second breakfast.
Yeah, second breakfast, that works.
That was quick. That's why we come to these joints.
Oh, look at that. Yummy. Oh, there's my 5 tacos. Wow, that's weird, the way they serve that. And there's your fish taco, sir.